Hi, I am Vikas Sharma. I am available as webinware on GeoDirectory Experts website, and I have developed a product called GeoMarketPlace. And in this video, I would like walk you through to the functionality of this plugin, and you can purchase this plugin from the link. I will provide this in the description box of this video. To start with, I have a blank WordPress installed on my local machine, and to make this plugin works, we need few plugin already installed on the WordPress, which are: number one is WooCommerce, number two is GeoDirectory, number three is WCMP, which is WooCommerce Marketplace, and the number four is my own plugin GeoMarketPlace. I will provide the download links for all these plugins in the description box of this video. And so let's start with the installation of the first plugin. Here I am going to the installation of this plugin may take few minutes, or depends on the internet speed and all. So I'm going to pause this video and will resume shortly. Okay, so I'm back again. You can see this plugin is active on this WordPress installation, and I'm going to activate. So as soon as you activate this plugin, it will take you to the setting page of WooCommerce shop, and just I'm going to do few basic settings. That's my address, city, some zip code nearby, and then continue. I don't want to check this. I want to select electronics and computers, so that's it. I'm going to sell the physical products and downloads also, so nothing else. I'm going to continue. 11,200 products. No, I'm going to uncheck all this. Continue. And now I would like to install this storefronts free theme so that my demo will look much better. So again, the installation of this theme may take few seconds or minutes, depends on my internet speed. So I'm going to pause this video again. Okay, so my storefront theme has been installed now, and I'm going to go back to my WordPress dashboard. So now you can see how this theme is looking, and when I go to the shop page, I don't see any product available. So I would like to import a few dummy products available provided by the default WordPress plugin. So to do that, I am going to do the import feature, import tool of this, and going to run this WooCommerce product CSV import. I'm going to choose the file, so this is basically inside my plugin. Content plugin, WooCommerce sample data. Yeah, I'm going to continue. It may take few seconds again. So it is importing. And it may take few seconds. So better to pause. No. Mm. Again, it's simple. Let me pause basically. Okay, so I'm back again. You can see that 25 products has been imported successfully from the dummy CSV. I can click on view product, and when I go the front end, I can see that now the products are available. So now come back to the installation of second plugin, which is GeoDirectory. So again, I'm going to go to the install plugin, or basically add new plugin, and going to install GeoDirectory. Again, the installation of this plugin may take few seconds, depends on my internet speed. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so this plugin is active now, and I'm going to activate it now, and it takes you to the setting. Just continue. I don't need these plugins at this moment. I would like to import 5 dummy data, so my site will look good. Again, the importing of these 5 products may take few seconds or minutes, so I'm going to pause the video again. Okay, I'm here again. You can see that 5 dummy products has been installed. I'm not going to select any sidebar or menu location. Just going to continue, and that's it. I'm going to return to the WordPress dashboard, and now as you can see, there are more menus. I know these are some of them, these are not necessary, we can remove them, but if you go to the location, you can see the 5 dummy listings available. Okay, so I'm going to install the next plugin, which is also available for free, which is WCMP. So to do that, I'm going to add new plugin, WCMP. Again, I will put the link of this plugin in the description box to make it easy for you to download. I'm going to pause the video again. Okay, so this plugin is installed now, and I'm going to activate it. Again, it will take me to the settings page for this plugin. I'm not going to go too much deep into the settings of each plugin. You can know more about those from their respective websites, and for this WCMP, I'm just going to skip maybe this plugin is not up to the date, so let's go. Just a second to avoid this. Let me just deactivate the debug mode, or turn off the debug mode. Okay, so the link will be vendor vendor percentage to 5%. I don't need any capability. one is this one is important, so that the vendor can edit a published product. And approval, we can check this also, but let it be like this, so that admin has to approve the product uploaded by vendor, and admin can review basically. So I'm going to continue. I'm going back to the dashboard. So now once you install this plugin, you will see that few more plugin important links are available, which is vendor dashboard and vendor registration. So when you go to the vendor registration, or if you don't see this vendor registration form link, you can go to the appearance and menu, and here you will find the vendor registration and dashboard, and you can include those. This window refers to the WordPress admin. Here I am accessing the dashboard and would like to do all admin related stuff, and I'm going to open the same website on another private window, and that will be used for the vendor. So here you can see the site. I'm going to register a user. You may get this option, signed up has been disabled. So to activate this, you just need to go to the admin side of the WordPress, then setting, under general settings, just check this option, anyone can register. So once you save this option, you can see that vendor registration is available now. Now I'm going to register vendor at mydomain.com. Once I register, a notification email will be sent to admin that a new vendor has been registered, but the newly registered vendor cannot access its dashboard because approval is required from the admin. So I'm going to WCMP settings and tab. Under this I'm going to edit this vendor and going to approve. Once I approve the vendor, I can see that on other window I'm able to and do all the vendor settings. Now to just save our time a little bit, I'm going to assign a place to this newly created vendor, that's this National Constitution Center. I'm going to assign this list to the vendor I just created. Now this list appears, this list belongs to me as a vendor, and if I go to the detail page of this listing, I see these tabs. Now the purpose of GeoMarketPlace plugin, we are done with all these three plugins, necessary plugins. Now we are coming to this GeoMarketPlace plugin. The purpose of this plugin is to show a new tab called shop here, and once user clicks on that shop tab, then all the product created by the listing owner, which is basically a vendor, will be shown under that shop tab. So to do this, I'm going to upload my plugin. Again, this is as an admin. I'm going to add new plugin, and I have plugin on my desktop. I have downloaded that already, so I'm going to install that, which is once I install that plugin, just a second. This plugin allows to add a new tab in GeoDirectory setting called GeoMarketPlace, and these settings are basically show short tab on which post type. If you have multiple post type, then you can select one of them. As you can see here, only one post type, or CPT, GeoDirectory CPT, which I'm going to select. Shop tab sort order, I mean if there are multiple tabs on a shop, then at which order or place that shop tab should appear. Default is 100, so the shop tab will appear at the end of all tabs. Shop tab product limits, this settings will allow admin to limit the number of total products which can be shown under the shop tab of a vendor listing. And then this is shop tab product page size, that if there are, let's say, 100 products, then how many products should be shown on a one page, and then the pagination will appear. Allow vendor to link product to a listing. This setting will allow a vendor to list to the link to their product to a listing. If this option is unchecked, then only admin can relate a product to a vendor listing. I mean, by checking this option, vendor can add a product to its listing from the front end. And allow product links to a draft listing. It means if in that particular drop down, the listing drop down, a draft list will also appear if this option is checked. So now I'm going to add a product for the vendor. I just register, create a new product. I'm going to select uncategorized as at this moment. My product is GeoMarketPlace, or it can be like custom plugin. I would like to sell a plugin. I would like to sell a custom plugin. Okay, and general price, let's say 50, and the sale price is 40. Rest and if this tab will appear due to my plugin, and here you can see the listing which belongs to me as a listing owner. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to upload a decent image for this, which can be, let's say, second dogs and the weekend, sorry, and the contains uploads. Let's see, set product image, and I'm going to submit. This product is pending by default, so based on the setting we made while we install the WooCommerce Marketplace plugin. So now I'm going back to the admin section. I'm going to under products, and this is just the one I created, and you can see that it belongs to the vendor, and I'm going to add it, and here this tab appears due to GeoMarketPlace plugin created by me, and here you can see that vendor and this thing. Admin can change this also. Okay, so I'm going to publish it. Once admin publish, then if I go to this listing, then you can see the shop tab is appearing now, and when I click, I can see that custom plugin product I created, and it I can add to cart, etc. So hope this video is good, and it's really helpful for you to understand the functionality of GeoMarketPlace plugin. I'm going to put the links of all necessary plugins and the purchase link of this plugin. Thanks for watching, and thank you.